I have eaten ant larvae. I have eaten crickets. I have eaten even some sort of weird species of hissing cockroach. I've eaten all sorts of weird stuff in Japan. If I'm in a restaurant where I trust the chef, if they put it in front of me, I will give it a try. There's some stuff I've had that I didn't like very much, but I would say I'm an adventurous eater.